Hi, this is problem 16 from the AMC 10A. If y plus 4 is equal to x minus 2 squared, x plus 4 is equal to y minus 2 squared, x not equal to y, what is the value of x squared plus y squared? So we have two equations here that are symmetric in x and y, by which I mean you can generate one equation from the other by swapping the two variables. And that might be an important clue. Let's try to reduce these equations a little bit. Let's take the left one here. We have y plus 4. 4's drop out. All right, that might be useful. Let's do the same with the left or the right side. Fours drop out. Okay, at this point, I see an opportunity to substitute y into the right equation, but that looks very complicated because that would take the x squared minus 4x, square it, and that would generate a fourth order polynomial equation on the right hand side. And that looks quite difficult. So if I'm desperate, I may try that, but that's not my first inclination. In general, when you have multiple equations on the AMC, it's often helpful to either add the equations, subtract the equations, multiply the equations, or perhaps sometimes even divide the equations. But I would try them in this order: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and as a last resort, perhaps division. So let's add up these two equations and see what we get. X plus y is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y. Let's bring these to the other side. Okay, since we're trying to solve for x and y, this may be helpful. I see the term over here. Okay, so we've added the two equations. Let's try subtracting them. So y minus x is equal to x squared minus y squared plus 4y minus 4x. Bring those to the other side. 3x minus 3y is equal to x squared minus y squared. 3 times x minus y. We can factor this now. And this is where we can use the condition that x is not equal to y. So we can divide both sides by x minus y. All right, and this is the jackpot here. We now know that x plus y is equal to 3. We can back substitute that into this equation and find that x squared plus y is equal to 15 for choice B. Anyway, I just wanted to mention that in general, this is the correct order to go in. When I first did this problem, I actually jumped ahead and did the multiplication instead of the subtraction. And you actually can solve this by adding and multiplying the two, but that worked out to be a little more difficult. So I should have stuck with my own advice and add them first and subtract them as a second choice. So anyway, hope that helped. Bye.